Hello YouTube, I'm MCGo101, and in today's video we're just going to do a real simple unboxing video of this SuperATV flip-up windshield for this 2017 Yamaha Yxz SSSE. So, it is dirty, my apologies. It's beginning of March and all my hoses and power washers are put away for the season. Before I install the windshield, I think I'm going to run it down the road and go clean it all up. But I'll do a separate video of the install. Today, I'm just going to do a quick opening video of what's inside and how it came. Long story short, I've had my Yxz for about a year now. It is the SE model, so it did come with the roof, the rear view mirror, but I have been really craving a windshield for this thing. I did use it in the winter a little bit, but like you're getting froze out when you're doing 60, 65, 70 mile an hour down the road. So when I did some shopping on windshields, the Yxz forums had some good reviews for the SuperATV flip-up version. So that is what I ordered today. So yeah, so let's see what's in it. Don't mind my messy shop, but so I shopped around for this particular windshield, and there was a few different distributors that offered it. Royal Distributing, Fort 9, I think is one. And then after searching multiple times, I actually got another website popped up called revco.ca, and they had the best price, so that's who I went. So we got one piece. And there's the actual windshield itself. Okay. Hardware, instructions, gaskets. Excellent. Alright. So, I'll show you everything that it did come with. So I'll have to go through everything piece by piece, but some advertisements. We do have instructions. My experience with SuperATV stuff is their instructions is actually pretty good. So we got that. Windshield cleaning instructions. We got the mounting hardware and the gaskets and nuts and bolts. So the rubber seal, that'll probably seal the bottom of the windshield. Awesome. See if we can have a look at this bad boy. Oh, that is cool. So yeah, also to note, the packaging has been excellent on this so far. But yeah, in a nutshell, just wanted to show you guys what comes in the box. Everything's well packaged. Looks like really good instructions. So I'm pumped to get this all installed. I think I'll take the bike, we'll go get it cleaned up, and then we'll get set up to get this installed today. But yeah, so this is what comes in your SuperATV flip-up windshield for a Yxz. So far it looks great. Look forward to getting it on the bike. And we'll definitely be going for a rip today. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And if you want, come back for the install video. See you next time.